Welcome back, students. Welcome back to Edu Academy. Today we'll be doing quadrilaterals. Okay, in the previous one we have done parallelogram. So now today we'll be going to do rectangle, which is again very easy. You must have done it before, right? Rectangle. Let's take a rectangle A, B, C, D. So what are the properties of rectangle? In rectangle we know that the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. That means AD will be equals to BC and AB will be equals to DC, right? One more property is there, all the angles of the rectangle are 90 degree. That means all angles are 90 degree each. Fine. Now we'll move on to स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर भी हमने बचपन में पढ़ा है बहुत अच्छे से. व्हाट इज अ स्क्वायर? इट इज अगेन अ फोर साइडेड फिगर. बट इन स्क्वायर वी नो all the sides are equal. That means side AB will be equals to BC, will be equals to CD, will be equals to AD. So one of the property is all the sides are equal. Fine. Which we can write like AB will be equals to BC, will be equals to DC and will be equals to AD. Now the second property is again iske bhi sare angles are 90 degree. That means angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 90 degree each. That means all angles are 90 degree just as we did in rectangle. Okay. Now we'll move on to trapezium. अब ट्रिपीजियम तो हमने पहली बार सुना है. ट्रिपीजियम ठीक है, इसके बारे में भी पढ़ लेते हैं जी. ये क्या कहता है? द फोर्थ वन इज ट्रिपीजियम इन विच ओनली वन साइड या वन पेयर ऑफ साइड इज पैरेलल. सबसे पहले हम बना लेते हैं दिस इज अ ट्रिपीजियम. ठीक है, इन विच ओनली वन साइड ऑफ ऑपोजिट लाइन्स इज पैरेलल, विच इज this AB is parallel to CD. See, we can see that AB is parallel to it's parallel to CD. Fine. That's all. And the other pair of side is non-parallel. That means AD and BC. AD and BC are not parallel. That's it. We will do only this much. And this is what? This is trapezium. Fine. Next we'll come to rhombus. अब what is rhombus? भाई rhombus कैसा होता है? Rhombus sometimes looks like a square. वो एक square की तरह ही दिखता है हमें. In which all the pair of sides are again equal. क्योंकि square में भी equal होती है AB, BC, CD and D. इसमें भी all sides are equal. ठीक है, बट वी कांट से एनीथिंग अबाउट ऑल दी एंगल्स. एंगल्स के बारे में नहीं हम बोल सकते दैट ऑल दी एंगल्स आर 90 और ऑल दी एंगल्स आर इक्वल. हमें ये कुछ नहीं पता. वी जस्ट न्यू दैट ऑल दी साइड्स आर इक्वल. वन मोर थिंग विच वी नो दैट द डायगोनल्स ऑफ द रोम्बस बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री. अब डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, ये तो हमने किया है पैरेललोग्राम में भी कि डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. So from this we can get OB will be equals to OD and OA will be equals to OC. ठीक है जी, ये तो कर लिया. But they have told that the diagonals bisect each other at right angles or at 90 degrees. What does this mean? This means कि they are intersecting each other at point O. Right, अब O point पे they are making 90 degree angles. That means these all angles will be 90 degree, which we can say angle AOD equals to angle DOC equals to angle BOC equals to angle AOB equals to 90 degree. Okay, these all angles are 90 degrees. ये बीच वाले angles will be 90. Okay, this is what we know. Okay, that's all. for today. In the next class, we'll be going to start with the exercise 1. Okay, thank you.